And I'm not boosting myself up. I'm just showing you it works, because if I could do it, you all could do it. I can guarantee you that.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
Meaning relationships, build and nurture relationship is powerful. It's the biggest the biggest asset that at least an entrepreneur can have, and you realize this from the very early age. So what message do you have for entrepreneurs out there that they want to have a business, right? And they don't want to talk to people. They said, no, my product is going to be so good that people will come to me and buy it. I don't want to go out there to talk to anybody. They don't like to talk to people. What message do you have for these people?
I'll pray for them. I'm kidding, half kidding. If you're not a people person, and there's people out there that aren't, I obviously am, and it makes it easier. But if you're not a people person, go partner with somebody that is. Find a Steve Ramona.
I can partner with you.
Yeah, me and you partner, and I'll go out and do all the work, and the people work, and you be the background person. You be the systems person, the analyze person. I bring people. My partner's that way. Max, I love my partner. He's the greatest guy in the world, and that's what we do. I go out to my network. I bring stuff to him. He analyzes it, does research. Thumbs up or thumbs down. We don't consult with them. It doesn't fit, or it does fit, or we can help and we can't. It's super simple, but you got to have a people person like me in your business, because the only way you're going to grow. Nobody's going to see you till you see people, till you talk to people. Can't build relationships by sitting in your office at home and playing video games. I guess you could talk to people, but that doesn't help your business. And really, introverts, those people out there aren't people person. It's so easy for you, because I have a principle. You're going to love this, Harry. It's called the ASLA principle. ASLA. Ask a question. Shut up. Listen actively. Ask a question again. And the bridge between shutting up and listening, people go, "What? It's the same." Absolutely not. Think about the Zoom room that you're in. Say there's 10 people and 2 rooms are black, or the videos. Now, maybe they're going to the bathroom, answering a door, or something happened. It's legitimate reason why they're not there. But are they listening to the person talking? Probably not. So make sure when you shut up, you actively listen. But more importantly, or as important, ask a question again. For example, you're an introvert. You don't like talking to people. You go, "Harry, how long have you been doing your business?"
Are you asking me? 18 years.
I'm going to ask.
How long I've been in business? 18 years.
18 years. So I shut up and I listen. I go, 18, that's a long time. Do you enjoy it?
Oh, yeah. I have up and downs, but yeah, I love it.
What's your biggest challenge?
In business? Well, that's a good question. Biggest challenge in business for me, I'm so passionate about that I always like new businesses. Lack of focus.
So what did I do
like
there?
All of them.
Yeah, 45
you listen
seconds.
Carefully. Yeah, I saw you. You pause and you listen actively.
And an introvert, all you have to do is, and if you want to cheat, I'm going to give you a cheat code. Put it on your screen here. If you got a monitor in front of you, have them 5 questions right now. 3. What's your challenge? How long have you been doing business? Do you have a family? Do you have kids? What are you passionate about? What really brings value to you? I mean, come up and use ChatGPT, make it your way, but come up with questions. And you just ask those questions, and you've built a friend.
Yeah, I'm glad that you bring this up, Steve, because this is a massive, and I think that will give you a huge advantage of what you do, right? Because in this deal making space, what I've seen is that sometimes the people are out there, and they think they know everything, right? and you don't even start to talk about it. And oh, look at me and the big deal and the so I realized that whoever talk too much is not actually for real. The people they are for real, they actually don't speak that much. They have nothing to prove.
Yeah.
They are the real deal. Whether when people come and you see right and listen, exactly like you said, they are talking and talking and talking and talking. I'm this and this and I did this and I closed this deal and I do this, and they don't stop talking, they don't listen. Could be a red flag. That could be that they need to talk too much to try to prove themselves because they haven't done anything yet. And the people that actually do it, they don't talk too much. They actually listen. And sometimes they tell you this deal is not for me. People don't even know why, and the reason why is that the project doesn't stack up, and they don't even have the energy or the time to tell you
Yeah.
that it is not gonna work. So, any more uh when you meet, how can you approach? Okay, because if you have a friend and this friend refer you people, right? That that is okay, but let's say that you're going to some meeting, especially online, right? So how can you connect with people online? How can you start to meeting people online? What are the most effective way of doing it?
Your
You
phone.
meeting you meeting in a stranger.
Go on your phone.
Uh-huh.
Go to your contact list.
Mm-hmm.
I talked to a guy that does $1 million a month. All he did is market through his contact list. Meaning, you reach
Wow.
out to your yeah. This is
Wow.
25 years
Repeat
old.
repeat that again, because I would like the audience to hear that, because some people might think, oh, that you're joking, that is not possible. And I know that it's possible.
No, I met this kid 3 years ago. He's 25, 26 years old. He was doing
Wow.
$1 million a month in income. All he did was go out to his contact list on his phone and say, I've launched this business. Do you know anybody looking to flip homes? He
Mm.
started getting referrals on top of referrals. People started coming to his workshop. People started buying his $5,000 program. And he had so many people because what's the power of your contact list? They're warm. They're on there because they like you or they love you. So
Mm-hmm.
they're more willing to give you a referral or want to be involved with what you're doing. I did research, 100 people, 100 entrepreneurs. 80% of them, nobody on their contact list knew what they were doing. They didn't even know what their business was. So you need to reach out to that contact list. Go, hey, I've just started a podcast, or I'm just started as a business coach, or whatever it may be, and go, here's what I'm looking for. Can you help me? I'd love an intro.
Mm.
Done.
Yeah. So, what are the biggest challenge that you face in your business, Steve, and how you overcome that challenge?
What's the biggest thing that's on top of your head? Your head, your brain, your mindset. Guys and girls out there, ask. I get fired up about this because I've just learned. I didn't do this for 20 years. So I was there. I would never ask. And I didn't make any money. But ask for something. Ask for it. Because the worst thing to happen is they go, no, I can't help you. Nobody's ever gone to me when I ask something and go, what an a-hole that guy is, Steve. He asked me for help with a renewable energy project or for my coaching program. Nobody. I did 1,800 referrals last year. I'll do over 2,000 this year. I meet a lot of people. I ask a lot of people. And nobody said that or felt that. Now, maybe when they left, I don't know. I know people say, well, what do you, when they leave? I don't care, because when they leave, I've made my ask. And if they don't do anything, you know what I say in my head, Harry? Next.
You
Doesn't
have
work.
people.
Next.
Yeah. You
I
have
got all kinds
people.
of people.
Yeah.
That's it. I got people. I got
Yeah.
people.
At the end of the day, yeah, with the when you have people, it's an amazing position to be, right? Because from that you can literally make a living out of your name or of the people that you know, because it's as it is. However, let's go about your brain. You said about your brain that there was a big challenge because you are working in the family business and you are in the front desk, okay? And where you start to talk with these millionaires, and then you invite them to a restaurant, and they will come in there, and then you went to work in the restaurant. They start to come to a restaurant, and technically they were there to see you, but they were buying from other people, right? And they your skills keep improving, and now you say, well, if my network is coming and buying from other people, yeah, maybe it's good that they buy from me, whatever I have to offer, right? So how was this shift in the mindset? Any particular thing happened that you discovered that you had that breakthrough? Because we go through this space and, you're thinking, no, I'm not good enough. I'm not this, I'm not that. Well, you're good. I mean, if all those millionaires are your friends, and at least you are enough, right? And then,
Absolutely.
well, you know what? I'm going to tell my friends to buy from Pedro. Yeah. And we'll be okay. I'm working with Pedro. They will buy from Pedro. But then there is a shift in the process when you said, okay, you know what? Well, better I tell my friends to buy from me. My own products or the product that they direct partners for me that, that I can get rewarded effectively to make the connection. I won't say that, I don't know, maybe this restaurant will give you a big bonus for you to bring people or whatever, but definitely the thing is scale up. So when do you have this breakthrough that you can the people can actually buy from you, and now the numbers are larger? Now we're not talking about a ticket for a meal, or we're not talking about ticket for the gym membership, which numbers are low, and we're talking about deals that worth $1 billion that could be a very substantial, clearly plenty funds there for everybody involved to get very rewarded. So how you make this jump in mindset?
So
because you shared it with me, the biggest challenge is your head. Yeah.
Yeah, mindset is the whole thing here. And Think and Grow Rich, if you haven't read it, read it.
Oh, yeah.
150 million people you have. I actually have another book, if you guys are interested. It's actually doubled my income. It's called The Missing Secret of Think and Grow Rich by John Mitchell. He's got a program on there that will
where
change
people can
your
buy
life.
it. Can you share?
Amazon. Go right to Amazon. The Missing Secret of Think and Grow Rich, John Mitchell. He's become a business partner of mine. I've sold a ton of books for him because it works. It's a template that you read. But in Think and Grow Rich, there's chapter 4 called Law of Increase. That mindset shift of everybody I meet, I'm going to increase them. A little, medium, or a lot. Just increase them. Maybe it's you got a beautiful background, which you do, Harry. It's cool what your background's doing. Or whatever it is, bring him resources and tips. I've got over 100 testimonials.
But how you manage to have the breakthrough yourself first in terms of mindset?
Practice. Law of increase with everybody you meet. And next thing you know, I get 3 to 5 referrals daily for 2 years. Audience, think about that. And I'm not boosting myself up. I'm just showing you it works, because if I could do it, you all could do it. I can guarantee you that. It's because I increase everybody's life. And I just got a referral 3 weeks ago from somebody I haven't talked to in 1 year. We've not spoken for a year, and they reached out. You got to meet Steve. He's got this cool podcast. He's a great guy. You got to meet with him. He can help you out.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.